open, break. Instead of actually telling you what that means, we're just going to demonstrate it. 3 different angles for you, okay? So let's go ahead and do it from this side, okay? We're going to do a close and open position. Let's first do this from an open. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1. Nicely done. All right, let's take it from this angle. Ready? Close position. And 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1. Nice. All right, let's put Monica's back to you. Let's go back and we're going to another close position. Ready? And 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha. 1. Good. All right, so you can see how that works. We're just kind of going away from each other. As I go away, I create the back break. Yes? And she continues doing her stuff. So, but if you need more information, go to your private lesson style videos for that, okay? So practice and then head on back over here to get to another